In our problem we have 222 times 222 divided by 222 divided by 222. And because according to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this multiplication, it's wrong. Okay? Now let's start our solution. So first we do this multiplication. We have 222 times 222, which equals 49,284. Rewrite our problem and we get 49,284 divided by 222 divided by 222. So we have to work from left to right. 49,284 divided by 222, which equals 222 divided by 222, which equals 1. And this was our final answer for this problem.